Hello Questers. Welcome back to Top 10 Quests. As the world grapples with unprecedented environmental shifts, it's imperative for us to understand the root causes. Today, we're embarking on a crucial journey, navigating the intricate web of factors that have led to the global challenge we know as climate change. Did you know? According to NASA, the current warming trend is of particular significance because most of it is extremely likely, greater than 95% probability, to be the result of human activity since the mid-20th century and is proceeding at a rate that is unprecedented over millennia. With each revelation, we aim to shed light on the pressing issues and the collective responsibility we hold. So, without further ado, let's have a deep survey and uncover the top 10 causes driving this planetary crisis. Starting our countdown at number 10 is deforestation. Trees, nature's lungs, play a pivotal role in absorbing carbon dioxide. However, as the EPA and the NSW government have highlighted, large-scale deforestation, primarily for agriculture and urbanization, releases significant amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This not only exacerbates global warming but also disrupts the natural carbon balance of our planet. The UN further emphasizes that forests cover 31% of the land area and annually, 75,700 square kilometers of the forest is lost. Bloomberg adds that this deforestation contributes to about 15% of global carbon dioxide emissions. At number 9, we spotlight industrial processes. The European Climate Adaptation Platform and the BBC report that industries release vast amounts of greenhouse gases, either directly through fossil fuel combustion or from chemical reactions. These emissions, especially from heavy industries, are a significant contributor to the greenhouse effect, accelerating the planet's warming. The UN states that industrial processes contribute almost 21% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Waste management takes the 8th position. The UN and the NSW government highlight that improper waste disposal, especially organic waste in landfills, produces methane. This potent greenhouse gas has a warming potential 21 times greater than carbon dioxide over a century. Furthermore, the decomposition of organic waste in landfills and the treatment of wastewater are significant sources of these emissions. The EPA adds that landfills are the third largest source of methane emissions in the US. Zooming into number 7 is transportation. Vehicles running on fossil fuels are major culprits in greenhouse gas emissions. The NRDC and the European Climate Adaptation Platform state that transportation, including cars, trucks, planes, and ships, contributes nearly 30% of all US global warming emissions. As urbanization increases and economies grow, the number of vehicles on the road rises, further intensifying the problem. The IPCC reports that transportation emissions have increased at a faster rate than any other energy-using sector. Agriculture claims the 6th spot. As per NASA, the Royal Society, and the BBC, agriculture contributes to global warming through various means. Deforestation for agricultural land, rice production which releases methane, and the use of fertilizers that emit nitrous oxide are all culprits. Additionally, livestock such as cows produce methane during digestion, further adding to the greenhouse gases. The UN emphasizes that agriculture, forestry, and other land use activities accounted for around 23% of total net anthropogenic emissions of greenhouse gases. Energy production powers its way to the halfway mark. The burning of coal, oil, and gas for electricity and heat is the largest single source of global greenhouse gas emissions. The EPA, Sustainability MAG, and the IPCC emphasize the critical role of energy production in climate change, urging a shift towards renewable energy sources. The NY Times reports that energy production, primarily from burning fossil fuels, accounts for roughly 3/4 of the carbon and methane emissions contributing to climate change. Land use and forestry carve out the 4th position. The UN, The NSW government and the Royal Society stress that changes in land use, such as urban sprawl, deforestation, and certain forestry practices, significantly contribute to rising carbon dioxide levels. These changes disrupt the natural carbon sink capability of forests, leading to increased atmospheric carbon. NASA adds that land use changes have contributed around 31% of total anthropogenic carbon dioxide emissions since the Industrial Revolution. Residential and commercial emissions light up the third spot. Buildings consume a significant portion of the world's energy, especially for heating and cooling. The energy, when sourced from non-renewable sources, leads to significant emissions. The European Climate Adaptation Platform and the NRDC highlight the need for energy-efficient buildings to combat this issue. Charity Digital states that if the global building sector continues its current trajectory, it could consume almost double the energy by 2050 compared to 2015 levels. Natural causes, though less dominant than human activities, take the runner-up spot. The Royal Society, NASA, and the IPCC note that while human activities are the primary cause of recent climate change, natural factors like volcanic eruptions and solar radiation variations also play a role. However, their impact is dwarfed by the effects of anthropogenic activities. The BBC emphasizes that these natural causes have been part of Earth's history, but their current impact is minimal compared to human-induced changes. Topping our list is the primary culprit, greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. The IPCC, the NY Times, and NASA unanimously agree that human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, have significantly increased concentrations of these gases. This has led to more heat being trapped, resulting in the global temperature rise we witness today. Bloomberg adds that the last 5 years have been the hottest on record, with human activities being the dominant cause. Climate change is a multifaceted issue with a myriad of contributing factors. However, understanding these causes is the first step towards mitigation. As we navigate through this global challenge, it's imperative for each of us to stay informed, make sustainable choices, and advocate for policies that prioritize the health of our planet. Together, with knowledge and collective action, we can pave the way for a brighter, more sustainable future. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay informed and take action. Thank you for watching. Please find references in the description.